What is inciting incident? So, inciting incident is the incident that jumpstarts the character onto their journey. It's that one point in the beginning of the story that sets your character off. So, we can use Iron Man as an example. When Iron Man thinks he's this awesome guy and he's selling his weapons and thinking he's doing good, but when he gets attacked by the seven rings and he's almost dies, his eyes are open to like, oh my god, like what I'm doing is actually causing my weapons are being used against our own people, and his eyes are finally open. That's when he makes the Iron Man suit. He builds this big old thing, and now he's like, it's my duty to protect pretty much Earth at that time, protect his country from what he just dealt with. And so because of that, the inciting incident is that moment he's captured. Because if he wasn't captured there, the Iron Man suit would have never been made. He never would have seen his weapons being used against the US. So that incident started him on his journey as Iron Man.